I am the incredible Ragga. They call me incredible Ragga. I am the sensational, unbeatable, untakeable, mistaken by man, the professional. When it's all about me, myself, and now, Mr. Ragga Dee, keep it inside this house place with the icons, E-Iconz right here. So, and I want them to want we keeping it tight inside the place. Don't you worry where you get it. Don't sweat it. Have it about then you let it. God made it. Look around there, look at man, I take it. We elect it. Come start and select it. Yo, it's all about style, yes. Banne batata ne bamama abatulaba ku TV zonna mu Uganda kyanjawulo nnyo olwaliro ekize tutulina abaana bawala ne baana balenzi abali wano okuva mu Africa. Bano nno abaana Bannayuganda, ba South Africa, ba Canada, naye ng'ate basobola okukola ebintu ebisanyusa Uganda n'ensi yonna at large. Abaana bano njagala obbanyonnyola amannya gaabwe. Tuna projects zetugenda okukola nga za nsi yonna. Projects zetugenda okukola zigenda gatta Uganda ne Africa. Tubadde tuwuliza music wa Uganda obutava waali. Ne bagamba lwaki music waffe tafuuseeko international nga tuli ku local singing. Kati twagala tugende ku international singing. Ono Shivan mirembe era amanyi Oluganda era ayimba n'Oluganda ye Shivan D. Ono abeera South Africa amanyi Oluganda, ayimba Oluganda, ayimba amapiano, ayimba rap, awandika n'ennyimba. Oye Honla. Kakati oyo ayogera Oluswana olu South Africa lonna nga bw'oyinza odutegeera. Twagala music waffe abeere nga takoma Uganda, nga takoma South Africa, ng'agenda in the whole world. Oli ye Muganda w'ono be bayita ba E-Iconz. Naye ayimba Oluganda, ayimba Oluzungu, ayimba amapiano, ayimba R&B, ate muwandiisi wa nnyimba, is a writer. Kakati tulina projects zetwakozeeko nga zigenda kubeera collaborations in different languages, in different beats. They can do hip hop, they can do R&B, they can do ragga, they can write songs. So tulina ba producer bangi tugenda okukolagana nabo, naye nga producer asinze okubakolera ennyimba abadde ne Sim Pan Productions, abadde akola ennyimba zaabwe ngira n'agenda ne South Africa n'azikola. Kati omulundi guno tuzze project tuzikolere wano e Uganda, tusharinge n'abayimbi abalala okufuna experience okuva mu nsi endala nga Canada, America, South Africa, Nigeria. Tuleme kubeera nga tulinga abakopa obukopi nga idea tuzisharinga nitukola ekigenda okukyusa music w'ensi yaffe. Mbadde njagala abayinza okwagala ebibuuzo tuyinza okubibaddiramu n'abaana bano bennyini basobola okweyogera kuba bebeeyimbira. Buli omu alina talent si wa kiwaani, buli omu alina kyamanyi kyasobola okukola, kyasobola obbakoleramu. Y'abazadde. Omuzadde bw'olabanga omwana bw'ati ayimba, tomulemesa kuyimba kuba okuyimba talent ate okuyimba mulimu. Ffe nga ba National Culture Forum tulina endowooza egamba nti music wa Uganda asobola ogenda ku level endala. Music wa Uganda asobola ogenda ku level endala ng'abazadde bakkiriza abaana baabwe okuyimba. Nze nakkiriza omwana wange okuyimba n'omwana wange bamuyita Shivan mirembe naye ng'ate alina okusoma. Era abatulaba ku TV abaana bano ba E-Iconz babakkiriza okuyimba naye ng'ate balina okusoma. So bo basoma ate bayimba. Kibeere nti okuyimba talent bagitereeza ate nga n'okusoma basoma okubeera nti balina empapula. Ffe tulina empapula zaffe za university era ze zituyambye okutereeza nti music bw'omukola asobola okuvaamu akasente. Era abatulaba ku TV njagala okubagamba abazadde abalina abaana abalina talent, abaana mubakkirize bagende mu studio bayimbe ennyimba, bakole video zigende mu nsi. Tomanya balifuuka ba Michael Jackson b'emyaka egijja. Twagala generation eno ebeere nga tekyali mu gap zigamba nti abakulu bokka be bayimba n'abato basobola okuyimba era n'abato balina talent. Mbadde njagala abaana bano babampeeremu just bwakapeera butono okakasa nti balinawo kye bakola ki kye balinawo. You're going to give me one a cappella each of you, just so that they can feel what you really do, in different languages.
Everyone, I want to introduce myself in style, yeah, in Luganda and a little bit of English. Yeah? Introduction: Shivan D the baddest thing, Chikuba Sipa no industry, Kuba hit, call me the toughest, Sipapa just know I'm the realest. Make it and keketara imunez fulumia Kuba besi engo manager vya suna gita. ne kutuka muziki gwen kuba kati guba firika kuba zirap kumaike meyeka hustler every time better menyeka kankomao.
So next.
Right, I'm gonna be giving you guys an a cappella from one of our latest songs, Getaway. I just need to get away. Feel like some blocking me. I just want my space. Trying to find a spot to breathe anytime, any day. Yeah. Feel like I destiny. I'm controlling my fate. In control of my destiny. All right, that's it. I'll be on my way.
Okay. I don't care what anybody else thinks lies. I don't need nobody else to help me lies. I kind of feel guilty cause I'm wealthy. Why? I don't understand. It's got me questioning like why? Just tell me why. Not back to this flow inside. I feel divided. Back when I ain't had a dime, I had a drive. Right before I ever signed, that pushing life. Like who am I, man? Nothing to me is ever good enough. I could be working for 24 hours a day and think I never did enough. My life is a movie, but they don't know tell me what you're gonna see in my cinema. I wanna be great, but I get in the way of myself and I think about everything that I could ever be. Why do I do it though? Hey, yeah.
So support your children according to whatever they like. If he's a musician, push him or her. We just wish you the best. Thank you very much.
We can do a collab. Hey, Nego, I look up to him. His my father is someone I look up to, and maybe when I grow up, I'll change something in the industry. What I want to change?
Yeah, according to his music,
I want to change the competition. In Uganda, there's too much competition. So I want to change that. That's why I'm working with the E-Iconz so that we can show the new generation that it's not about competition.
There's something you said. You said when you grow up, you want to change. Is it that it's the dad, or were you forced to do the kind of music you're doing?
No, it's my will. It's not.
Then why do you say maybe when you grow up, you want to change?
Because you never know what's in the future. In the future, there's different things. Maybe you're going to grow up and then the industry already changed. So if I'm the one who's going to change it, that's why I said maybe I'll grow up and change the competition, change the type of music, make Uganda known as a country that's a nice country with good music.
Are you the only one in the family, you and your dad, who are doing music?
Yeah, singing, yes. But then I have my young brother. He wants to become a producer. Then I have my big brother. He wants to become my manager.
So that gives you time, like sit down with your dad and discuss about the music you're doing and the way.
Yes, we discuss sometimes. He sits down. We have a studio at home, so we make songs there.
Fekirungi nti omuntu abeera ne talent eringa mukka, it will always come up. So twalabagana ne mubuulira the good things about music, ne mubuulira the bad things about music, ne mubuulira nti alina okusoma, alina okuba ne degrees n'abeera ng'ayimba. Nze na degrees zange na nnyimba, so nga njagala nnyo abeere omwana omuyimbi ng'asomye. Njagala abeere omwana omuyimbi ng'akolagana ne banne. So right now tugenda kukola project ennene nnyo ne ba E-Iconz era kigenda kuba kyakabi nnyo. Saagala mpaane nnyo amatu g'abantu ge ganaawaana. Bagamba nti azaala ekibi akiwongera, naye saagala kugenda mu luganda olwo. Njagala ngambe nti let her do her thing. Kubanga already bali ne banne ba E-Iconz, they are going to do a lot of projects. Ate nga ndi very sure ku byempuliddeko byakoze real good music. So bwe bagatta amagezi n'abavudde South Africa n'abavudde Canada n'abavudde America, Uganda music egenda kuspreading ogenda awalala.
And of fun, joy and happiness, and this is the free pass, which is the exclusive access. Twagala twogereko ne ba E-Iconz Enyimba. They released the song when they're still in the South Africa. Now they are in the Pearl of Africa, and we need to hear everything straight from the horse's mouth. Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
What's your name?
My name's Edrich.
Edrich. Edrich, do you want to get rich?
Yeah?
So tell us about what you do and what you chose to do.
So in the E-Iconz, I'm a rapper and I'm a songwriter and I'm also a dancer. Yeah.
Okay. So what are one of the things you utilize to come up with those lyrics and caddences?
What I use, it's a little bit of, like sometimes I go to other artists and I see, then I take out a few words, go to another one, take out a few words. Or sometimes I just I get a flow and I put something together. Yeah.
Wow, wonderful. We have another man them over here on my left. What's up, G?
Yo, what's up? How you doing?
How do you feel being in Uganda?
It feels great. It feels great to be back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
You've been here before?
Yes.
Okay. Tell them about what you know for Muganda. Chicho manyi ku Muganda.
Gimanyi simanyi.
Manye toke.
Yeah.
Bali kufumbide.
Yeah.
Gamba yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, what's your name?
Edma.
Edma, how you doing?
All right. How about you?
Man, I'm always great. Can't you see greatness over here?
Yes, I can see that.
Anyway, tell them about your experience in Uganda for the other time.
Our experience in Uganda was just a vibe. It was amazing meeting so many people, so much talent, and listening to so much more music.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell us about what you are going to do having come back to Uganda. What should the people really expect?
Guys, you should just expect fire from now on.
So if they're expecting fire, what fire are you going to bring for the viewers right about now?
We're gonna bring all types of genres, all types of beats, all types of flows, everything.
Okay. What is that one artist that you respect in Uganda?
Palazzo.
Palazzo, why?
Cause you see, he just brings a nice vibe to us. So see, our dad got us with him. He was so nice. He gave us the vibe, and then he's just like another different thing. His personality is just on top. He's just a nice person in general.
Okay. So basically, I need to get to this man them over here. Which artist do you want to work with in Uganda?
So far, I want to work with FIFA Maker. Yeah, I think he's pretty cool. I like his music. Tikitoku. Yeah, I like his music, and Spice Diana too. Yeah.
Aye! Why do you choose these artists?
Because I've listened to their music and they hit my strings that I feel they hit the soul. Yeah.
Feels good you appreciating our artists.
Yeah.
Anyway, so what represents your brand as an artist?
What represents us is just being us, you know? Yeah, just being yourself. That's what represents us. And our family, we don't have fans. It's our family that represents us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're the first person to answer that question right. Among all Ugandan artists, Byalema. But anyway, I want you to tell me about also your creative process and the things you utilize.
What I utilize mostly is just flows and making up new melodies. If you just catch one, you never know. One day you can be singing something out of your head, and then that could be a hit song right there.
Okay. So I want you to do a hit song right now, talking about free pass. Any melody, show them what you got.
You got the right vision, yeah. What you figuring out and dreaming all the season, yeah. Make right decisions, yeah. If you only knew what's gonna take to make it right. Don't stop, keep going through, keep searching for your love. Don't cry, keep smiling, keep on praying for your love. All you gotta do to do those things that make you find your love. I know I can, and you can as well, so yeah.
The ladies of Uganda, this man them over here, please, caution. All you have to do is take it slow. Anyway, back to the man with the buzz. So tell me one thing that you utilize to come up with flows and cadences.
Pardon?
What is that one thing that makes you come up with flows, cadences, so that you rap and come up with great lyrics?
It's. Wait, again?
What do you utilize to come up with great lyrics?
You know what I utilize? I utilize like my surroundings, how I'm feeling, how it is in life, how things are going. Yeah.
Okay. Over here, I have a prodigy, beautiful girl, wonderful, and it's about the time for her to introduce herself. Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm kidding you.
I can feel your vibe is very high.
Pardon? Okay. I'm Shannon Pojana. I'm 12 years old. I act, sing, model, dance, play the piano, a bit of the recorder, only for maybe a year, and the piano, and the marimba.
Okay. You seem to be a jack of all trades.
Yeah.
So how do you manage to come up with all those things?
My mom is my manager. She schedules everything for me. I do miss school just a little bit, but my principal does understand that I'm trying to build my career.
So basically, I want you to tell us about your background. How did it all start?
Okay. I started dancing when I was 2 years old. My mom actually found my talent, which I'm really grateful for. I wouldn't be here without her. And then acting, I started when I was 7, in grade 2, when I was 8. I was the lead actress at my school play and modeling when I was 9. Recently started pageants and runway and all of that. Marimba and violin, I've just been doing at school. We have like band groups where we do all of those stuff.
Okay. So let's start with pageantry. What is that one thing about pageantry that you didn't expect, that you found out and you were shocked?
Okay. That there were actually a lot of judges. I only thought there'd be like 4 or maybe like 3, but there's actually been kind of a lot of judges with pageants, which I was really shocked about because I'm kind of nervous with people, but then when I found out there was like more than 4 people, I was like, okay.
Usually, basically, they tell us it's not about beauty only, it's also about the mind. Is it true?
Yes, it is. If you have the mind, believing yourself, you can get to your goal.
Okay. So let's talk about music. You happen to be a person who plays multiple instruments. Could you share with us those instruments?
Piano, a bit of the recorder, not really. So piano, violin, marimba, and a bit of the recorder.
What did you say, marimba? Tell us about that.
Okay, so you guys don't have it? Okay.
It is not over here. We only have the janzi. Have you heard of the janzi? That is the same experience that I have. I don't know about the marimba. Tell us about it.
Okay, so a marimba is actually wood that plays music, which is kind of cool. So you just hit on the wood and it takes out a tune.
So basically, what is that one thing that you want to represent joining the music industry at a tender age?
People really look down on African people a lot, and it's just really sad.
Look in the camera and say it.
Okay. Can I say it again?
Say it again.
Sure.
More emphasis.
Okay. A lot of people actually look down on African people, which is really sad. With the E-Iconz and Shivan, we are Africans and we want to prove that we have talents as well and we can reach our dream and become successful as Americans.
Okay. They ain't better than us, right?
No, they ain't better than us.
So what is the one thing that makes you be confident? Because I don't see any nerves in you.
You know what I do when I perform? I just pretend like no one's there. And I know that I've got this and I know what I'm doing. And I know what I want to achieve.
So which artist do you want to work with in Uganda among the ones that you have overheard?
Sheila.
She's called Sheila.
Yes.
Okay. Sheila Gashumba.
Yes.
You want to meet Sheila Gashumba?
Yes.
Definitely you're going to meet her. So basically, what is that one thing as an artist that you wanted to share to the people that are watching the Free Pass so that they get to know the value of an artist and a creative?
Period. Okay.
So I want you to say bye to the people by saying Mobele Bulunji.
Again.
Mobele Bulunji.
Mobele Bulunji.
Yeah, it is the exclusive access. We what that Wulida Janie. She, oh my God, before we go, you are taking part into the Miss Pre-Teen
Universe 2022. I am a finalist and I'm gonna actually be performing on the 27th of February.
And another thing, you are also going to be taking part in the New York.
Yes, New York Fashion Week. I'm going to be walking that actually on the 10th of February 2022 this year, both of them this year. I'm going to be walking for chick.nyc. You can check them out on Instagram. They're going to be giving me clothes that I'm going to be walking in New York in.
Have you tried out high fashion?
High fashion, no.
You should. On banana fibers, pause, take pictures. I think it's a great idea for you.
Yeah, banana fibers.
Yeah, man. It's called my talk. It's the exclusive access. Wonderful girl coming in. She is the jack of all trades. Don't go anywhere. It is him, Kim, the entertainment guru, mastermind of fun, joy, and happiness, and we run behind the scenes.
My Instagram and YouTube, it's very long, eh? Shonela Mkhwetiana. It's a long name.
Just first, how did you come out to say that one day you want to be an artist?
An artist. Okay, so I believe that an artist can, I believe an artist can become a big person, and I can use my platform to make schools, education, and all of that. My mom saw my talents at the age of 2 when I started dancing, and from then on I've just loved to dance, act, sing, model, and I'm becoming an artist now.
So, what are those projects you have done so far?
Pardon?
The projects you have done so far?
The projects that I've done so far, I've been in an advert for Twin Saver. I've worked with Lancewood. In the beginning of February, I'm going to New York to do New York Fashion Week for NYC, and then at the end of February I am going to Miss Pre-Teen Universe 2022.
I'm not going to pick, but any artist that comes, any artist with talent, I'm ready to open. There's no competition. I'm trying to make the industry grow, and if we work together, that's how we're going to do. Composure. They need to compose themselves and know what they're doing, and stop. They should have mindset to think that if, let me say, Fresh Kid and Kapipi Pete, that battle that they had, that's not nice. If they worked together, if the young artists work together and they come up, we are going to come as one generation, and that's how we'll come up with more music like that.